Welcome back once again to my tutorial. This is another class, another tutorial for you guys to know on how to pipe your neckline. So how to pipe your neckline perfectly and fine, that is what I want to show you guys on how to do now. So in case you do not know how to do this is a perfect opportunity for you to try also. I wish you guys all the best. So let's go straight into the business. So I want to show you guys on how to pipe your neck, like what you are seeing here. So this is what I want to show you guys on how to do, and I'm going to be fast about this. So this is my fabric which I have cut on fold like this. And before I cut this on fold, I want to show you guys on how I was able to get this. So let me keep this aside. So let me say this is my fabric which I want to use to cut my neck piping. So you can see my fabric the way it is now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fold it like this on a bias form. So you can see how this is. You can see that it's very strong. And even this side is not that, you can see how it is very strong. But if you fold it like this on a bias form, it will be, you can see it is stretchy. You can see the effect. So this is what I did. So I went on to take 1.2 inch. That is what I have here. So folded that way, and what I have here is 1.2. You can see how it is stretchy. So what I have here now is 1.2 inch, and you have to take your neck measurement. You have to take your neck measurement like what I want to make now. So I will have to take my neck measurement, take it round, and make sure this exceeds your neck measurement like about 5 or 3 inches extra. So that is what I have here. So what I'm going to do next, I am going to fold this open. I'm going to open this, and I am going to place my bias on this. So let me iron it quickly, then come back to show you what to do. Okay, so I have gone ahead to straighten my fabric. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to put my hemming gum like this. I'm going to put my hemming gum like this, and I am going to fold this in to that midpoint, then fold this as well in to that midpoint, and I am going to iron it till the end like this. With my hemming gum, I'm going to iron it till the end. If you are making for a bigger person, you are going to double your hemming gum at this part. You are going to double it so that it will be thicker. So let me go ahead to do that and come back to you. So I have gone ahead to iron it as I told you. So you can see I folded this both sides together to get my midpoints just like this. So after doing it, folding it like that, what you are going to do next is to take one part. So you can see this is my main facing. You are going to decide when it comes to this part how big and how small we want it to be. So this is what I want to appear at my neck. This small part is what is going to appear at my neck. So all you are going to do now is to fold it that way, then you iron. So it's to fold it that way, then you iron it. So I have already gone ahead to iron it down to this end. So after doing that, after getting this, what you are going to do next now is to fold your fabric like this. Then you are going to twist it. Make sure you twist it like this and iron. So let me just go ahead to twist it around and iron and come back to you. So I have gone ahead to iron it, as you can see. So just make sure it is straight so you can see how straight it looks. So just make sure it's like this. So how to get it, I told you now, just to flip it and squeeze it, and just like that. So after doing that, so what I'm going to do now for my neck is that I'm going to place it like this. I'm going to place it like this inside my neck, then I'm going to stitch down to the end. So after stitching it, make sure it is slapping. You can see, make sure it is slapping like this, then stitch down to the end. After stitching to the end, I'm going to fold this in like this, then I'm going to sew and sew at this up till the end. I'm also going to fold this part. Once I get to this end, I'm also going to fold this part in. Then I'm still going to run another stitch at the middle till the end. So let me go ahead to do that and come back to you. So I have gone ahead to do that, and I went on to iron it very neat, so you can see how it looks. Very, 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 very neat. So I'm expecting you to do something like this, very neat like this. So you can see this is the second, this is the one I told you of. So you can see very fine. So go ahead to do yours like this. I'm expecting you to even do better than this. So keep on practicing. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.